Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, we are talking about a machine that brings serious firepower to the world of adventure touring, the Zontes ADV 368G. Bold design, advanced features, and solid performance, this one's built for real riders. Design and road presence. The moment you look at the Zontes ADV 368G, you know it's no ordinary ADV bike. With sharp, aggressive lines, a tall stance, and that striking LED headlamp with dials, it demands attention. The tank shrouds, golden USD forks, and sleek bodywork give it premium street and off-road appeal. Wherever you park it, eyes will follow. Engine and performance. Under the tank, it packs a 348 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that delivers around 39 horsepower. The throttle response is crisp, and the 6-speed gearbox paired with a slipper clutch gives you a super smooth ride. Whether you're cruising through city traffic or pushing hard on open highways, the ADV 368G handles it with confidence and ease. Comfort and daily use. Zontes has prioritized rider comfort big time. The upright seating posture, wide handlebars, and split, well-cushioned seats mean you can ride for hours without fatigue. The adjustable windscreen is a bonus, and with dual disc brakes and dual-channel ABS, you're riding safe. The suspension is tuned well for mixed road conditions, perfect for both city and light off-roading. Features and technology. This bike is feature-loaded. Keyless ignition. Full-color TFT display with Bluetooth. Tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. USB charging port. Electrically operated fuel tank cap. You're getting premium level features at a very competitive price. Who is it for? The Zontes ADV 368G is ideal for riders who want a powerful, stylish touring machine. Whether you're a young adventurer or a mature enthusiast, this bike ticks all the right boxes. For beginners, the power might be a bit much, but for experienced riders, it's a thrilling and practical upgrade. Conclusion. The Zontes ADV 368G brings together looks, performance, and premium features in one bold package. If you're looking for something different, something that stands out, this might just be your next perfect ride. Like, share, subscribe to Turbo Rider, and tell us in the comments, would you take the Zontes ADV 368G on your next adventure?